Aloha, welcome to Kanani Pearl Spa, Portland's Hawaiian day spa. Kanani Pearl is in its 10th year, offering island-inspired therapeutic body treatments and curative facials. Our highly skilled team of therapists customize each treatment to the specific needs of the individual. We practice a style of Lomi Lomi known as Monolomi, which has been taught to us by world-renowned Dr. Maka'ala Yates. Monolomi is a therapeutic, deep tissue or gently relaxing style of bodywork that is very rhythmic and soothing. Lomi Ili Ili incorporates active hot stones, delivering a deep penetration of heat into the muscles that melts away tension and improves circulation. We also offer Ashiatsu Oriental Bar Therapy. This style of bodywork utilizes the therapist's body weight through her feet to deliver the deepest massage possible. Our facials feature the highest quality skincare lines available. For more advanced anti-aging and lifting, we offer microcurrent toning treatments that stimulate the muscles of the face, resulting in an effective and non-invasive facelift. Our commitment at Kanani Pearl is to provide an environment in which our clients feel embraced by the spirit of aloha, soothed by the relaxing atmosphere, and nurtured by our highly skilled team of therapists.